back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my very easy body spa routine, and I came across some luxurious bath and body products जो कि affordable भी हैं और market में जितनी भी overly priced bath and body products हैं, brands हैं, उन सभी के टक्कर के products हैं. So let me introduce you to this Coco and Shea kit by this brand called Brian and Candy, which I'm sure is gonna become your future favorite. Just hear me out in this video and you can thank me later. So they sent me their Coco Shea kit about 15 to 20 days ago, and I have been trying out these products ever since, and I feel it's a fair amount of time to try and test the products before sharing my thoughts with you guys. So this is like a compulsory thing. If any brand wants me to try their products and review it for you guys, basically share my experience, I make sure to borrow some time from that brand so that I can give a genuine feedback. And you know what, ऐसा काफी बार हुआ है कि कुछ brands ने मुझे अपने products भेजे, मैंने try किए, मुझे नहीं पसंद आया तो मैंने वीडियो भी नहीं बनाई. But when I genuinely like something, I make sure to share it with you guys without fail, especially if that particular product is on the affordable side. So this is the outer packaging, and when you open it, you get all the products in this satin pouch, which is of a really good quality, and then you get the products in this bathtub sort of a storage thing, which is so cute. So we have a shower gel, then we have two exfoliants. One is a body polish, so this is what the body polish looks like. Then the next thing we have is a sugar body scrub. This is what the packaging looks like. And lastly we have this hand and body lotion, and yeah, this looks so luxurious. Like, the packaging of all the products is so luxurious, you guys can see yourself. And guys, we also get a loofah. This is what it looks like. It is so gentle on the skin. This kit costs rupees 1600, but you can definitely get more discount. Just go to their website and add this kit to your cart. सारे coupon codes and discounts वगैरह मिला के you would get somewhere around 500 rupees का discount on a 1600 rupee kit. So now you can do the math yourself and see कि आपको ये kit कितने की पड़ेगी. और I think अगर आप calculate करो सब चीज, so this is definitely going to be a very affordable kit for you, and this is so good for gifting purposes also. अगर आपके किसी friend का birthday आ रहा है, मम्मी का, बहन का, किसी का भी birthday आ रहा है, अभी तो festive season भी आ रहा है, so this can be a really nice gifting option as well. क्योंकि मैं इन सारे products को एक साथ use करती हूँ, I have developed my very easy body spa routine, which hardly takes half an hour in the shower, to be really honest, but I like to take my own sweet time sometimes, and I think everyone deserves that. So the very first product that I'm going to talk about is the Brian and Candy Coco and Shea shower gel. Now this is what it looks like, and everyone in my house uses this, like my mom, my brother, they both love it. So this shower gel smells amazing. In fact, all the products in this range smell divine. Every time I use this now, I get so nostalgic because it kind of smells like Alpenliebe toffee. If you're a 90s kid, I'm sure you would remember that. Now this does not leave my skin dry, and I have used a lot of shower gels which leave a residue on the skin. I have faced this problem even with those 1000 rupees expensive shower gels as well, but it's not the case with this one. This does not leave any residue on the skin. By the way guys, Brian and Candy has a lot of other ranges as well, like they have a strawberry range, then they have a green tea range, mango range, but I specifically got their Coco Shea range क्योंकि my body skin is a little bit more dry than my facial skin. My facial skin is pretty normal. So अभी तो you know season भी ऐसा है, monsoons है और स्किन थोड़ी और ज्यादा ड्राई एंड फ्लेकी हो जाती है, फिर विंटर्स भी आ जाएंगे. सो आई थॉट कि मेरे लिए कोको शेयर रेंज एकदम परफेक्ट रहेगी बिकॉज शेयर प्रोडक्ट्स आर एक्चुअली लाइक सुपर फूड फॉर ड्राई एंड फ्लेकी स्किन. सो नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव दीज टू एक्सफोलिएंट्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज द ब्रायन एंड कैंडी कोको शेयर बॉडी पॉलिश. नाउ इसकी जो टेक्सचर है, इसका जो फॉर्मुलेशन है, इट्स सो क्रीमी. दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. This actually looks like a batter of a chocolate cake, and it smells so yum. Like, it smells like chocolate, and because it has a creamy formula, it actually keeps the skin hydrated while exfoliation. Also guys, the beads are not at all harsh, so even if you have sensitive skin, this would not irritate your skin, so you can definitely go ahead and try this out. And the next product in this kit is my absolute favorite, you guys, and it's the Coco Shea Sugar Body Scrub. Now this is a sugar scrub like the name suggests, and since it is made with actual sugar, it is such a mild exfoliant. In fact, I would suggest you guys to always go for sugar scrub scrubs, like sugar based scrubs instead of walnut scrubs, because walnut scrubs are quite harsh on the skin and they can irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. So always go for sugar based scrubs because sugar is actually a natural exfoliant. Now this scrub is super thick and you cannot make it work on its own, so you would have to, you know, mix it with some water. Basically take some of the scrub on your palm, mix some water in it and kind of make like a paste, apply it onto the skin and then start massaging until the sugar granules melt completely. It just makes my skin squeaky clean and super soft, just like a baby's bum, so would highly recommend. Also, if you don't want to buy the entire kit, don't worry, you can actually buy the products separately, so would leave a link in the description box. Just have a look yourself. And the last product in this kit is the Coco Shea hand and body lotion. Now this lotion has such a beautiful fragrance and this is made with cocoa butter, shea butter, aloe vera, honey and few more other ingredients which are so rich in, you know, keeping the skin moisturized and nourished. It's actually a lightweight lotion, yet it keeps the skin hydrated. Now this is neither sticky nor greasy, and I like to complete my pamper routine by applying a generous amount of this lotion all over my body. And like I mentioned that my skin is a bit dry and not extremely dry, so a lotion works well for me. But if you have like extremely dry skin and a lotion is not enough for you, you can definitely go ahead and check out their Coco Shea body butter, because body butters are quite thick and they are like saviors for extremely dry skin people. So these are all the products in this Coco Shea tub kit by Brian and Candy, and overall I am so happy with the products. Trust me, I am being very honest with you guys, the products are so good quality, like such premium quality products you're getting under a budget. The packaging is so luxurious. This is completely value for money and it's no less than those expensive, overly priced brands which are available in the market, जिनके प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइजेस इन प्रोडक्ट से डबल और ट्रिपल होते हैं और उनकी उतनी वर्थ भी नहीं होती है, बट दीज आर वर्थ इट. Just एक बार मेरे कहने पे try these products and trust me, you would be really happy. You can also purchase these products on Nykaa, but since there's a discount going on their official website and you can save a lot of money over there, so I would definitely recommend you guys to shop from their website itself. And you know what guys, I'm always up for those brands जिनके products मुझे genuinely बहुत पसंद होते हैं and the products are under a budget. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would surely leave all the links for you guys in the description box below. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.